Nature must be nurtured. The effects of our own greed have been obvious. Cars sprawl through our paved streets as ants and worms and other insects are hidden in the ground underneath. Seasons have shortened, leaves no longer fall in October. Our waterways, like the Trinity River, aren't fishable or even swimmable. And temperatures have risen, as we all know too well, triggering a bevy of natural disasters. But, for now, it's still all around us. Our backyards and parks are refuge to appreciate the nature we still have. And reminders that we must do what we can to save it.